software development life cycle. Very important topic. Whatever testing position you are going to apply, either you are going to apply manual testing or you are going to apply for automation testing, every manager, everybody will asking the question from this topic. So please try to understand it very carefully. So what is a software development life cycle? Okay, so let's explain what is life cycle is, what is cycle is. Let me give you guys an example of our real lifetime. So for example, let's take an example that everybody have to go to the job, perform his or her duties, and have to be come back at home. Okay, so every day we are following one cycle, like we are getting up early, we have to be ready, we are taking the breakfast, then we are sitting in the car, going to the job, performing our duties, then again sitting in the car, coming back at home. So this is the cycle that we are following on our daily basis. So if we can say that this is a job life cycle, work life cycle, like there is a different steps in the involved. First, get up early. Second, be ready. Third, have breakfast. Fourth, sit in the car. Fifth, perform duties on the work. Sixth, come back at home. Okay, so these are the different steps in this cycle involved to go to the job, and after performing the duties have to come back. So this is one cycle that everybody is following on a daily basis. Okay, so in the same way, what is a software development life cycle? So software development life cycle is a process used by software industry or followed by the industries to develop and test the software, that is known as software development life cycle. Okay, so because when you have to develop one website, different things are involved in it, like requirement gathering, planning, coding, testing, releases, different things. So if there is no process followed by the company, then who will come to know that, how it is every team member will come to know that which action have to do when. Okay, so software development life cycle, it will guide us to follow the process, that it's a streamlined process that every software industry is following. So it have a different steps involved in. First of all, let me repeat again what is software development life cycle is. Software development life cycle is a process used by software industry to design, develop, and test the software. Okay, so it helps us in creating the high quality software. It helps us in completing our work on a timely basis. It helps us in giving the idea for each team member to have their responsibilities and everything. Okay, so this is known as SDLC. Anybody have any question? Yes, Naveed, go ahead.
I just want to ask that when it comes to development's life cycle, is it exactly the same in every company or for every software, or it can be slightly different from company to company?
Yeah, so Naveed, like first thing is every company is following the software development life cycle no matter what. Okay, in whichever company you are working, they are following this process. After a few minutes, I will tell you like there are different ways to adopt the software development life cycle. So some companies are adopting one way, some companies are adopting the other way. So that I will teach you in a few minutes. Okay.